Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to install incompatible apps from the Play Store. If you encounter a message saying that an app is not compatible with your device, the easiest way to get around this is to download the APK file directly from the internet. Here's how you can do it. First, open your browser and search for the app you want to install, followed by APK download. Make sure to use a trusted website to avoid any security issues. Once you find the APK file, download it to your device. After downloading, go to your device settings and enable the option to install apps from unknown sources. This allows you to install the APK file. Now, locate the downloaded APK file in your file manager and tap on it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, you can open the app and start using it, even if it was marked as incompatible on the Play Store. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.